gushyirwamo imyambaro y'icyatsi nawe twongere tumukomere amashyi kuko n'abashyira ubwenge n'ubumenyi bwabo kugira ngo ibintu babigenze neza. Dukomere amashyi na Neri, dukomere amashyi Patrick, ndetse dukomere amashyi na Icho Colombe.
So tell us about Heritage very briefly. Who did these outfits tonight, Charlie?
Heritage, I know, is a brilliant idea that was put together by the people of the National Museum, and I'm really not too sure, but just before I these are those ones, I'd like to request whoever is representing BRD to kindly be on standby, and whoever is representing Muslim to kindly be on standby, so that when we call upon you, you're not too far away. We'll need you to be as close as you can as possible. We have the results tallied, and they are on our way to us by the most secure delivery services. It's highly secured with all the security escorts you can imagine. And on that note, I'd like to request our sound people and the girls, our top 5 contestants, to kindly join us on stage as we read the results of the top 3.
And let's not forget also for our beautiful evening gowns that I know most of you appreciate it. We'd like to say thank you very much to the Winners Boutique in town. They did a wonderful job of making these ladies look resplendent tonight. So calling upon our top 5 contestants, as our friends here just finish up with the fancy work that they seem to be doing for this grand finale. And our top 5 girls are almost ready to come on stage. Gloria, if the girls are ready, let's have them come join us on stage. Thank you.
Mbere yuko baza abakobwa bacu bagaruka kuri stage ndetse n'abajudges bakatubwira ukuntu bimeze, tutategereje yuko abarimo bataka barangiza. Twongeye gushima amaduka, twongeye gushima abadufashije mu bintu bitandukanye, WDA, Merez n'abandi bagenzi banjye bagiye bavuga. Ndetse twongera no gushima City Radio n'andi maradiyo menshi atandukanye yagiye ashyigikira iki gikorwa. Turashima by'umwihariko magazine Winners ikorera opposite ya BCI cyangwa se ahateganye na Beseri, yatanze imyambaro yo kwambara umuntu asohotse ku mugoroba. Turakomeza kubashima mwese mukomeje kubana natwe uyu mugoroba rero tuvuya Rendezvous K Club.
Also want to thank Share Hair Academy and Soft Group. They have given each of the contestants, Share Hair Academy has given each of the contestants hair product pack, and Soft Group has given each of the contestants sanitary products. We truly appreciate that support. Now introducing contestant number 1 tonight, Aurora. Hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Aurora.
Tubibutse ko nyampinga w'uyu mugoroba igihembo gikomeye ari bwegukane ari imodoka yatanzwe na Gorilla Motor.
Kindly follow through. Contestant number 7, Natasha.
Natasha kabaye akambere muri SFB.
Finally, contestant number 13, Ahmed.
Akambere kabaye akabiri muri SFB. Ashaka kuba kumwana ariko ashaka uwambere ari umukobwa ni muto uyu nguyu mugufi cyangwa ababiri bari ababiri begeranye ngomba kubaho Miss.
First award we're going to give is for the second runner-up of Miss Rwanda 2012. The lucky lady will walk over with a return ticket to Kenya, thanks to Rwanda. Will walk away with a decoded kit from Teledi. Will get 3 nights stay and 2 days stay at the Serena Mombasa Hotel. Simba Supermarket is providing second runner-up with beauty product pack, and once again, Share hair product pack and sanitary products from Soft Group. Sylvia, do you want to tell us what the first runner-up is going to get?
Absolutely, it's very exciting. The first runner-up of Miss Rwanda 2012 will be getting the following tickets. Rwanda ticket, return ticket to Tanzania. We have 3 nights stay and 2 days stay in Serena Hotel, Zanzibar. We have a Canal Plus decoder kit from Teledi, as well as beauty products from Simba Supermarket, hair products Saloon Academy, and sanitary products from Soft Group. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what our 2 runner-ups will be winning tonight. Very exciting.
I'd like to request a representative from BRD. BRD to kindly come up and hand over the award to Miss Rwanda, the second runner-up of Miss Rwanda 2012. So they will be kind enough to open that for us.
Igisonga cya kabiri cya Miss Rwanda cyangwa se nyampinga w'u Rwanda agiye kwambikwa na ubuyobozi wa BRD.
As you can see, the envelope is secured here. It hasn't been tampered with. So now we're going to reveal to you the finalists, one of the finalists in this round of Miss Rwanda 2012. Ladies, congratulations to each and every one of you, and good luck.
All of the 5 are winners. But as you know, in a competition, only one can turn out the winner.
Bose uko bangana baratsinda ariko utwara ikamba.
Second runner-up.
Igisonga cya kabiri rero
Miss Rwanda 2012, the second runner-up.
Cya nyampinga w'2012.
Number. And the name. Number 11, Ariane.
Igisonga cya kabiri sha Ariane rwose aciye agahigo n'umubyibuho. Ariane aguvuze ariko yatangaje kuba nkimubona. So amukundiye ikira. Kibikora ikiza ariko bafuru. Sinzi ko abantu bereka mwibande wa motore no kugira ngo berekane ko abantu banini bashobora kuba hakovaga mu make ya rwose nta bwiza afite.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Frosty.
Nuko Ariane.
Ntabwo biramusekeje yigiriye icyizere kabisa.
Well done. I'm sure many of you are very happy. Congratulations to you.
Ariane, igisonga cya kabiri cya nyampinga w'u Rwanda umwaka w'2012.
Ntabwo biramusekeje rwose agiye kujya Zanzibar mu ikamba ryiza.
Representative from Muslim, kindly come up. Thank you. We'll open up the envelope that contains the results of the first runner-up of Miss Rwanda 2012.
Iyi bahasha ya kabiri mfite irerekana igisonga cya mbere cya nyampinga w'u Rwanda umwaka w'2012.
So now we're going to reveal, ladies and gentlemen, the lady who got the second best place
Reka
to Miss
tutega
Rwanda
amatwi
2012.
twumve igisonga cya mbere cya nyampinga w'u Rwanda 2012.
Happy Christ. Koga hano rero babaye babi.
First runner-up of Miss Rwanda 2012 is the beautiful, the very elegant, gorgeous.
Carmen tane mato.
And that is Natasha.
Natasha rwose ni keza cyane kandi Natasha ni keza n'akazi cyambere ni keza kari agakobwa kari agagapapiyo donc ubona akantu kateye ubwuzu cyane kari ndakazi kabaye iminsi nagiyeyo muri sefu uriya mukobwa rero uriya witwa Carmen yari yamukurikiye abaye wa kabiri urumva ko rundi atakongera kumurya kabisa. Yari yabaye igisonga cya mbere cya Natasha. Natasha abaye igisonga cya mbere cya Miss